I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Ford Fusion tail light. First, let's gather our necessary tools. You'll need a 10mm socket or wrench, along with a pry tool or a flathead screwdriver. Always ensure your vehicle's engine is off and the parking brake is firmly set for safety. Preparing a clear, organized workspace in your trunk will make the process much smoother and more efficient. Now, let's get started by accessing the tail light assembly. Begin by opening your trunk and locating the interior trim panel on the side where you'll be working. You'll need to carefully remove any plastic fasteners or 10mm nuts that secure this trim. Once those are out, gently pull back the trunk carpet to fully expose the back of the tail light assembly. Next, we'll focus on the replacement itself. First, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its small release tab and pulling it free. If you're just replacing a bulb, rotate the bulb socket 1/4 turn counterclockwise and pull it out. Then, simply pull the old bulb straight out and push in the new one. For a full assembly replacement, remove the 3 mounting nuts from inside the trunk. Finally, let's put everything back together and ensure it works perfectly. Insert the new bulb socket or the entire tail light assembly, making sure it aligns correctly. Secure all mounting nuts or twist the bulb socket clockwise until it locks. Reconnect the electrical wiring harness, listening for a reassuring click. Then, reinstall the trunk carpet and secure any trim fasteners. Lastly, test all your tail light functions to confirm proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.